So one of the most common things in a warehouse, common problems and challenges with the layout, is when it comes to having to fill voids like this. So whether you have a mezzanine or a lower roof warehouse, you'll have some support beams in, and the space in between interrupts your picking aisles and can become dead space. So in any scenario where your picking locations are compromised because of this, you can have additional storage like these locations here. So to go alongside both sides of the aisle, where you've got normal storage and picking, really important things to take note here are a break here in between aisles, so if you don't need to get anything else, you can change. Here we've got another break here where the beam is enforced. If you follow me here, we can see we've got one more final beam here in this aisle, and another example of space utilised here. So we've got additional storage and racking there for smaller products. And that is how you can make the most of the beams and the structural limitations of your warehouse when it comes to